Okay guys, today I'm gonna be going over 4 different supplements that actually will help you raise your testosterone. These are all supplements that I've tried myself. Just a little disclaimer, I didn't have blood work done, so I'm not entirely sure if they actually raised it by any point, but there's usually a correlation between the effects of testosterone raising supplements and actually if it raises your testosterone. So by that I mean, do you have increased aggressiveness? Do you have increased erections? Do you have more motivation? Does your hunger and appetite go up? Do your lifts in the gym go up? These are all things that correlate to testosterone being increased. Without any further ado, let's hop right into the video. First supplement, this is probably the one you guys have heard of the most. It's actually gonna be Tonka Ali, baby. You already know. You already knew I was going here. Tonka is very interesting. I actually don't use it every day. I actually don't even use it regularly, but I did notice when I started using Tonka, immediately my aggression went up. Immediately my arousal for other women went up. Like whenever I would be taking on Tonka and I would see like a really attractive girl, I instantly was like, it was just like times 10, like how much I wanted her. Without Tonka, I'm like, oh, I don't really care about her. With Tonka, I was like, I need that shorty. Another interesting thing, I've tried different types of Tonka Ali. So this is actually the Solar Ray version of it, but I've tried Nootropics Depot 2% as well. And when I tried that Tonka, immediately everything went up. My lifts in the gym went up, my arousal for women, my erections went up, but also my joints started hurting. And that can be a symptom of your E2 levels, your estrogen crashing. So be really wary and really careful. Tonka, I actually advise guys, like if you're younger than like 30 years old, you probably don't need Tonka Ali. Most likely your testosterone is already optimized enough where you don't really need to use it. But when you start getting a little bit older, since this is one of the most powerful natural testosterone increasing supplements, you probably want to try Tonka. The next supplement is actually going to be Boron. Boron's a very interesting one as well because although it's like you only take a very small amount of it, this is the Life Extension 3 milligram version of it. Whenever I take this, again, increased aggression right away. Like I'm talking about the same day that I use the supplement. At work, I'm a bartender, so a lot of times we'll have customers that'll come in, they're a little bit aggravating, and for the most part, I'm really good at handling them. But off the Boron, I'm like, nobody better be on no nonsense today. I'm not taking it, I'm not having any of it. Like, you better sit down, shut up, get your drink, you know. And then same thing, I notice when I take Boron, my lifts in the gym go up predominantly. By the way guys, the links for all these supplements I'm going over in today's video will be down in the description, so don't worry, I got you. It'll be real easy for you to get the same ones that I have right here. For number 3, we have Tribulus, better known as Tribulus terrestris. This is the optimum nutrition version right here. It's 625 milligram capsules, but whenever I take Tribulus, I recommend people to take it in the 1,000 milligram range. So that'd be about 3 of these capsules. And Tribulus is very interesting. The literature tells us that most likely Tribulus doesn't actually increase your testosterone. But again, from the moment I started taking Tribulus about a year ago, I've been taking it almost for a year straight. This is what affects my lifts in the gym the most. I can lift so much heavier, I have a lot more endurance in the gym, and also with this, my libido and my erection quality goes up as well. And last but not least, the 4th supplement and final supplement in today's video is fenugreek. This is actually the new fenugreek from Nootropics Depot. If you guys don't know, Nootropics Depot is kind of like the standard for nootropics and supplements. It's for stimulating my appetite. I'm in a constant bulk for the most part, so I always need to be eating more basically. And fenugreek by far, out of any supplement I've ever used, increases my appetite the most. It makes me just want to eat. It's hard to describe, but I just want to eat after I take fenugreek, and it's very acute. From taking one of these capsules, within like less than an hour, almost 30 minutes, I feel like I just need to find some food and eat as much as I can, which is great. And again, this is a big correlation to your testosterone increasing. There's also a lot of literature on fenugreek. There's a little bit of like back and forth. If you're like me and you scour Reddit threads, look at them and look at how they're talking about fenugreek. But some people say that it doesn't actually increase testosterone, but I believe it does. Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. This is actually an update of an older video on my channel when I go over the best testosterone increasing supplements. So if you guys want, go and check that one out. I gave you guys kind of a different perspective on these supplements and a couple other ones, but I appreciate you guys so much. If you're new to the channel, my name is Alton. Welcome. If you want to see more videos like this, I make a bunch of videos on nootropics, supplementation, and my version of biohacking, getting your body to its optimum most productive, most testosterone filled levels. So drop a comment down below if you guys have used these supplements. Let me know if you tried them out, what have your experience has been with them, and then also let me know if you guys want me to cover any specific nootropics in upcoming videos. If you guys want to set up a one-to-one call with me, my link is down in the description. We can come up with a specific biohacking regimen for you to reach your biohacking goals, whether that be productivity, erection quality, increasing your libido, having better sleep at night, having more energy during the day, whatever it is you need, we can go over it and come up with a great routine for you. Hit that like button if you like today's video, and I'll be back with another video very soon. Love you guys.